Hey guys, what is up? It's me again and welcome back again for another video. So, this is the first video na gagawin natin mga pre. So, let's start. So, I will be doing survival series now on. So, this is my very first episode and my very first video in this channel. So, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, subscribe mo na yan. So, let's go! I will be creating a world now. So, tingnan natin kung saan tayo nag-spawn. So, ayun na nga mga boss! Dito tayo in-spawn ni Minecraft sa Taiga Biome, I suppose. I don't know. Forest Pro siya, which is good. So, naka-shaders din pala ako para maganda naman yung ating graphics, no? So, ano ba pang gagawin natin, pre? So, magpuputol tayo ng mga puno because we all know that wood is very important, man. What the fuck? I'm experiencing the frame drops, bro. But, let's start making a progress, man. So, what, man? I can't. Bro, bakit ako nag-FPS drop? So, there's probably no cut in this video kasi this is my first time recording. I don't know how to improve my video quality. So, yeah. This is my very first time, mga guys. So, please support, no? Di natin alam, baka once upon a time, I will become one of the biggest YouTuber here in the Philippines know about Minecraft, bro. Kasi, lagi ko nakikita sa like sa ibang video, man. Lagi sila na mataas ang views, pero about yung sa mga brain rot or stuff like that, man. I don't like that. It's like, heartless. It's made for kids. Pero ngayon, maggagawa ako ng, a content na for teen. Because, ang target ko na mga viewers is teen, mga guys. So, let's go. So, as you guys can see here, mag-build muna tayo ng maliit na bahay. What? FPS drop? Really? So, ayun, nakita ko lang yung pagkain. Siyempre, ano gagawin natin? Take a chance. Kuhanin natin. Ganun lang. If may pagkakataon, grab natin ang opportunity. Anong tatandaan nyo, guys? If there's a will, there's a way. And ngayon, what? Naglalag na naman ako? So ngayon, maghahanap muna tayo ng mga sugarcane. Siyempre, mas mahalaga ang sugarcane in the early game because pwede mo siyang i-craft or pwede mo siyang i-craft at what? The glitch though. What? Ito, optimize na yung bedrock pero hindi pa pala. So, yun, sugarcane is one of the most important na kailangan natin gamitin, man, sa Minecraft. Kasi pwede ka magawa ng paper dito, man. Napaka-open ito. Ay, wait lang. Hindi ko pa pala nagagawa yung pinaka-importante dito sa Minecraft, man. Create a pickaxe. What the heck, man? I've been playing this game for fucking 4 years. And ngayon, hindi pa ako nakakapagawa ng pickaxe, man. What? So, ayan, gawa muna tayo, man. So, ngayon, man, pickaxe na tayo para syempre. Kukuha tayo ng mga kahoy. Not kahoy, man. This is stone. So, ayun, may stone na tayo, mga shug. So, ayan. What the fuck was that? A creeper? Oh, a skeletonis. Bro, I don't wanna kill my skeletonis. Oh my god, bro. But this is probably the most cringiest shit that I've done in my channel. Kung hindi ko to hide, man, like I was so cringe, man. Pero I guess, wala tayong magagawa. This is my very first video, mga guys. And there will probably no cut in here. Nasabi ko na yung kanina, pero I don't know kung bakit ko siya sinasabi. And I'm pretty terrible at Minecraft. Sa cellphone. I do have a laptop, this is nagiging commentary nito. I do have a laptop, pero it's trash, so hindi ko siya nagagamit. So I don't have a choice to use my phone, which is the iPhone. So pwede ko rin gamitin yung OTG, man, kung meron ako. Pero wala ako, man. Like, it's not working here on iPhone, man. Kapag nagsaka ng mouse, it's not fucking working. I don't know why. Kasi ewan ko, it's lagging. I mean, it's not lagging actually. Parang nag-jitter siya and also it's not optimized in iPhone. So iPad, nababasa ko sa YouTube stuff. iPad was okay or nagana kapag nagamit ka ng mouse and keyboard, pero sa iPhone or the iPhone series, the iPhone 11, iPhone 12, stuff like that, hindi sila nagana. Parang may linya dito sa ano. Kunyari yung cursor mo nasa gitna lang siya or paano lang siya, horizontal I guess. Yun, pag yun lang yung move niya. And it was bugging, man. I don't know kung bakit ganon. Yun nga yung gusto ko is to play Minecraft. To play Minecraft using a keyboard and mouse, pero wala akong magagawa, man. It was never optimized here in iPhone. So wala tayong magagawa doon, man. I don't have a choice on that, bro. Like, wait lang. Focus muna tayo sa goal. I'm so sorry for that. Wala pa tayong wala pa tayong kahoy, man. What? Ay, wala pa tayong stone. So focus muna tayo sa goal is to build a house, small house. This probably will be a long episode, man. So, hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari sa akin for this episode. Ay, wait lang. Kaya muna tayo, guys. Kain muna tayo. Ang tagal naman kumain, mga shug. Ano ba yan? Hindi mo na kain, biniblade mo. Anong gagawin ko? Oh, what the heck? Nagpi-flick pa yung phone ko. What? This is for someone there na nerd sa tech. This is the iPhone 15 Plus with the A16 or A17 Bionic chipset. Not pretty strong in this generation right now, but you know, sucks lang kasi it sucks kasi iba yung ginamit nilang chipset sa iPhone 15 and sa iPhone 15 Pro. Like, it's different. So parang siya, hindi talaga upgrade from iPhone 14 Pro Max. So parehas lang yung ginamit nilang chipset. It sucks, bro. Kaya, you know, the graphics, it can handle it, bro. Like, you see, I'm lagging before or in the first couple minutes of the video kasi what the heck, man, it's flickering and right now my phone is heating up. So I think dito muna tayo magtatapos sa video natin. I don't know if this is worth uploading, but no one cares about it. This is the first time that I ever upload in this channel, bro. Let's see. So yeah, a pretty nice house, I mean, it's not nice, but you know, it's doable. I think gawa muna tayo ng door, and no, it was a nice experience though. So ngayon, gawa muna tayo ng crafting table and to make a door, man. Hindi ko pa nagagawa yung gusto kong gawin, which is gumawa ng eto. Yan, meron tayong stone pickaxe, guys. Let's go. So ngayon, kukuha tayo, man, ng spruce para makagawa tayo ng pintuan. So this is, you know, my first house here in Minecraft, guys. Probably my first house. Just go. So, may pintuan na tayo, mga shoot. Let's go. And boom. And that's it. Welcome sa inyo, sa mga first subscriber ko dyan. I hope you will not regret subscribing. Bye-bye!